Good morning, my friends. Today, we are going to prove that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is more than 180 degree with a realistic example. We all know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, but we can also prove that they are more than 180 degree. But how it is possible? Well, we are going to prove that. We know that Earth has various longitudes, which are straight lines, and an equator, which passes through the center of Earth, and it is also a straight line. Uh, the the longitudes intersect at equator at right angles, resulting in sum of these two angles 180 degree. Therefore, this must be some angle. Therefore, if we visualize this as a triangle, I'm sorry. Um, if we visualize this as a triangle, this, and this, we will get these two angles which sum up to 180 degree, and this must be some angle. Therefore, resulting in the sum of these three angles more than 180 degree. Hence, we are proved that the sum of these three angles is more than 180 degree. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you.